Hey, what's up guys? Today we're working on a 2002 GMC Denali. Problems we're getting is the AC is on, everything is working good, but the problem is the air is only going on the defrost area right here on top. It's not blowing from the front vents or the lower vents. So there's an easy way to fix this. It's not fixing the whole problem, because the problem is you have to replace the actuator, which is this. Let me show you this part right there. Let me put light. Okay, you can remove this plastic cover. Remove this so I can show you. This is the part you have to replace. It's called the actuator. This part. It goes bad, so it's just gonna throw it on the top area on the defrost. So there's a cheap way to fix this. It's pretty much free. If you don't want to pay money to replace the part and you just want the air to come out from the front, there's an easy way to fix it. Let me just show you. Hold on. All right. You go underneath here, and there's this part right here. This little. Let me show you with the screwdriver. Flathead. Okay. You can take something. Just push right here. And then you can just put your finger and push it all the way. There. Push it all the way. And then the air starts blowing from the front vents. Yeah, it works. Yes. Once you do that, it's always better to unplug the actuator. Let me show you. You have to unplug this cable, because sometimes the actuator works but only puts it on defrost. So you don't want it to go back to defrost. So you just unplug this cable. You just push and pull. Push this little clip and pull. So alright guys, that's just a easy way to fix this problem. If you just want air coming from the front vents. Now if you want to fix the whole problem and having it, so it can work to throw air in the front, on the defrost and underneath, you have to replace the actuator, which is around $100 or so. And it's a little bit hard to replace, but you can do it. You'll manage. So alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. And as always, peace.